Welcome to Lab at Home series. Today we are going to build a simple parachute. Okay, very simple parachute with simple material. But again, my request is don't just see the video. Please do it. Okay, I'll tell you the alternate substitutes for the material. Okay, and in case you need any help in material, visit our website or write to us. Okay, we'll help you out. But please do the activity. Okay, so for that I require some plastic cover. Okay, I will cut a required dimension from this. I'll tell you how much I require. Okay, but this is generally available if you buy something generally in packaging boxes. You get this plastic cover. Okay, you can get the normal one also. Okay, generally in this the parachute doesn't open up properly. If we have a rectangular one, we can actually make a nice parachute. Okay, then I need some thread. I'll tell you how much to cut. Thread. Then I need something for the weight. Okay, so I can take a plastic bottle. Okay, anything is okay. So this I will need for adding weight. Why I am using the plastic bottle is I can add water as weight. Okay, so I can remove water and test using different level of water. That's how we can have variation in the weight. Okay, that's it. And I need tool. So are you ready? Let's do it. So from the bigger piece I got around 2 feet across 2 feet. It's rectangular. Okay. Then thread also I got on this one. I got 8 pieces. Okay, each one is around 5 feet, 4.5 5 feet. Okay, you need to get around 8 pieces of this. Okay, we'll tie this to the parachute. This will act as the strings. Okay, and then for weight we have the bottle. I have one more also substitute. I'll show at the end. Okay, so here now comes the first step. Okay, this is the most important one. Okay, so this center, okay, is very important when you do this step. Okay, always keep an eye at the center. So first fold it. Okay, first fold. Again keep your hand in the center. Okay, the same point. Then again fold it. Okay, don't miss the center. Okay, again hold it here and fold from the other side. Okay, don't miss this point. Then final fold you can get along this way. Okay, this is the center. Okay, I'm always holding that point. Now hold it and cut it along this. Okay, if you make an angle, then you will get nice umbrella shape at the end. Okay, if you want, you can use a sketch pen and draw. Once you hold this, now cut it at an angle. It's an arc. Okay. Okay. So the entire thing looks like a cone. So when I open up, nice umbrella kind of thing comes. Okay, you can almost see parachute-like structure is coming, right? So in case you miss the center point, okay, the center mark which I've shown you, then you'll get 8 small pieces. Okay, so you can't use this. So be careful while cutting this. I will just see. If you do it wrong, then you will get 8 pieces. You may get 16 also if you fold more. Okay, so always remember, hold the center properly. Okay, once this is done and you have 8 pieces, okay, that's it. It's simple now. Now what you have to do is you have to make the center of each umbrella curve. Okay, you have to make a small hole at the end. Okay, using scissor, or you can use a punching thing also. Right? Generally you have the paper punch. Okay, you can use that also, or you can use scissor. Everything is okay. Then once you make the hole, okay, then start tying those things. Okay, so I'll just show how to tie one. Okay, then you can, then it's easy. Okay, this is how I tie. In a similar way, for all the 8 points, I will tie. Okay, that I will not show in the video because you got the idea. I will tie those and then you can see what happens. As I told you, tie all the 8 strings, 8 parts. Okay, now in the center, you can see all the 8 strings which are coming. Okay, the length is also very important while testing. Okay, so the working of parachute depends on the length and also the weight. Okay, so for weight, I can use water bottle, normal bottles. Okay, so that I can fill water in that. I have a special thing also with me. This one person. Okay, this, and I have few cuts here so that I can add weight in terms of marble. Okay, so I can add marble to change the weight and see how fast it comes or what happens to the parachute. Okay, I'll try with both. So in case you have a bottle, you can fill water and do it. Okay, in case you need any help, please let us know. You can visit our website or you can write to us. Okay, once this is done, at one point you can actually, it's up to you where you tie because you have to test it out. Okay, you take here and you can try it out. It opens up. Right. If it is too long, then it doesn't open up properly, it gets entangled. Okay. That you have to try and ensure that all are at equal lengths. This opens up properly. I'll try to tie at this point. I'll just tie one knot. Because again, to change the length, I have to remove this and then. Yeah. I'll have one more set also with me so that I can tie this and try. Okay. We'll go outside and try. Parachute, we can test it when we go outside. Okay. So shall we go out? So are you ready for the testing? So I added water, okay? This we can change. Okay, so this, here while throwing you have a special technique, okay? First hold it like this, fold it once, keep the bottle in between. Okay, hold it from the side and throw it. Are you ready? Let's see whether it opens up. Okay? Yeah. Actually, if I throw it down, then it even sails properly. Okay? But here I am not getting the required height. But just for testing, I am doing this. Again, I'll try to throw. Yes. It's opening up nice. Okay, now you can see it depends on the strings also. The length of the string. Here you can see it's getting entangled and also the weight of this. Okay, so what's happening is this one is pulling it down, so the gravitational force is there. Okay, now there is an upward force, air resistance. Okay, because of which this opens up and there is an air resistance. Okay, and because of that this slows down. So there is an upward force, air resistance, and downward gravitational force which is acting. Okay, so that's the concept behind this one. Okay, so we can go deeper into it, that what happens if the area of the parachute is more, what happens if the length of the parachute is more, okay, what happens if the weight is more. Okay, but the main concept is about the gravitational force which is pulling it down and the air resistance in the upward direction. Okay, that's what, so when this opens up, this is the canopy also for the person who is sitting. Okay, this acts like the canopy when it opens up. See how nicely it's opening. Okay, so this is the concept behind the parachute. Again, my request is you try it out. Okay, you will know what's the force acting, and I can feel the air resistance here. The air acting in the opposite I have one more with the person. Okay, so the marble acts as the weight. This is there again. The technique: fold it. Okay, hold it like this. Wow. So you can actually see the working if I throw it from the building, okay, because it requires height. But the thing is, I will not get it back. But that's okay, because we'll learn a lot of things and you'll know also how this works. Okay, so again the technique is hold it from the top, hold it, put this in between, and here goes my parachute. Wow, it's going so nicely. Okay, so here actually the working, you can see the proper working if I throw it from some height, right? So I throw this from the building. Okay, the thing is I'll not get the parachute back, but that's okay because we'll learn a lot of things. Let's have fun. Again, stop. So before throwing from the building, always test it so that it works properly. Okay, now. Going so nicely. So I'll try to explain it using a simple diagram. So I'll draw a parachute. Okay. So this is the plastic cover which we put in there. I will have red points, the threads which are there. Since it's a rounded one, you can have one side, that side also, which will come. Breeze was acting on this, and that pulled the thing down. The same way, there is a weight also which acts on it. Okay, so this will be the person. Okay, yeah, here, so what happens is the person is coming now because of the gravitational force, right? So anything which thrown up will come down. That's the gravitational force which is acting. Okay, now when the parachute opens up, there is an upward air resistance. Okay, which acts on this. Okay, that's called drag also. Okay, and it depends on the size. Okay, so it depends on how big the parachute is, and there are different types of parachutes also. But to tell you what are the forces acting, one is the upward one, air resistance. Okay. So the gravity is pulling it down and the air resistance is actually stopping it, and because of this the weight which is attached comes down slowly. Okay, this is the one which helps the parachute, and that's the concept behind the parachute. Okay, so the canopy is formed here inside the parachute. Okay, it depends on the length of thread, and also there are different types of parachute.